machine. It gives you enough time to swap out the main valve, put a new one, and turn it right back on.